Hey y'all, it's Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you to unbox the April 2022 Oso Paper Co. Mini Friends subscription. It is a bit late. If you are a subscriber, you've gotten the emails, you knew the issues that Oso Paper was facing with supplier chain issues, but it doesn't matter. It's here. It never disappoints. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. So let me get this stuff out of here. Y'all, this month's envelope is super cute. Look at them. Oh my goodness. I would truly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it. So let's get into the sticker of the month. First, we have the girls, the ladies in their rain gear. Super cute. I love this, y'all. Next, we have this month's magnet. I have all of my magnets since I subscribed to Oso Paper Co. lined up on the side of my planner cart. I'll insert a picture in here somewhere so you can see it. But I love it, y'all. Look at this. She's cute. Next, we got a magnetic page marker. Ooh. Me likey. Let's get this open. Oh, and it's big too. So here is the magnetic page marker. It has our mini friends, which is a sticker of the month on it. Cute, cute. Next, we have this month's journaling card. The ladies are outside singing and playing in the rain. Ooh, look at the hollow foil. It is a postcard. I said a journaling card, but it's a postcard. And then here's the journaling card, which is also another postcard. It says, "There can be no rainbows without rain." That hollow foil's pretty. Next, we have what is a dry erase board and decals. Interesting. Let's get this open. See what's going on in here. But I don't think it wants to come out. That's the thing with dry erase stuff. It tends to cling to its packaging and be difficult. So we're just going to have to tear it up. So it says 1 board and 50 decals. Ooh, okay. So here's the dry erase board here on the back. Okay. Okay, so it's sticky. No, it's magnetic, but it has that sticky background to protect the magnet. Okay, so we have our days of the week stickers. We've got some clouds, some numbers, some arrows, some functional stuff. Morning, afternoon, evening, priorities to do, to buy, notes, focus on, quote of the day, inspiration. And then we've got some deco stuff over here. When life throws you a rainy day, play in the puddles. There can be no rainbows without rain. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. That is 100% true. So this is a cute little setup. We've got a small little mini dry erase board. I could probably put this right on the cabinet next to my computer with some decals. So that's the next item. And then lastly, we have our 12 sheet sticker pack. It says there's 415 stickers through 12 sheets. So let's get into this. We've got Miss Aria and Miss Kalani, and this is rose gold foil. Miss Miku, she cute. And Miss Stormy. We got Sade and Miss April. We have a functionals page with our May dates. May 8th is Mother's Day. The 21st is Armed Forces Day. May 25th is National Wine Day. Hallelujah. We got to celebrate that. And then the 30th is Memorial Day. Oh, that's pretty, y'all, with that rose gold foil. So more functionals, some date covers, some date squares. Miss Zoe over here popping her gum. And then we've got a deco sheet, 2 weekend banners, some circles, and then some deco pieces. All of the ladies lined up on the bench with their umbrellas. And then this sheet is full boxes, well, at least 6 of them full boxes, and then there are 3 half boxes down here, and there's some headers down at the bottom. Some people walk in the rain while others get wet. Interesting. And then we've got some icons. I like this. This is cute. She relaxing and relaxing. We doing some work, throwing out the money, making it rain, paying bills. I love this. Rain is just confetti from the sky. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Rain, rain, go away. Another functional sheet. We have some scripts here. Bill due, note to self, payday, some banner flags, some arrows, and then we got our headshots of all the ladies. This is new. We've got some layered circles here. We've got this is one long box, 1 through 5. This is another full box, and some little paint smears. And then we have our different sized boxes, and then our icons. So that was the sticker pack. Y'all, I felt like you got a whole lot in that sticker pack. Dang. Okay, Danielle, thank you. Got a whole lot of. So, sticker pack, dry erase board and decals. We got our 2 postcards. We got our magnetic page marker, our magnet of the month, and our sticker of the month. Here is the April 2022 Oso Paper Co. Mini Friends monthly subscription. This is the second to last month, so you'll see one more of these videos before there will be no more. As I previously announced in the last Oso Paper Co. unboxing, Oso Paper has discontinued the Mini Friends subscription. It's my understanding that there will still be mini friends. It just won't be available as a subscription. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.